Hello traders, welcome into a new live stream. Today is the 21st of February. We're close to the end of the month and we are looking pretty good with our statistics. So we are in a 5 or 6 days streak. So that's pretty good. All right, I'm gonna walk you through today's overlook of the market, and then we're gonna dive into our scalping strategy, and we're gonna try to take out some profits of the market like usual. So what is the macro view right now? So today there are no news coming out, and I know my chart looks like a Christmas tree right now, but I'm gonna explain. Let me explain. So we have 2 supports down here and 2 resistances up there, and we are right in the middle of the range today. That's pretty interesting. As you can see, we are in a sort of consolidation here phase. We had this thrust to the upside, making all-time highs. Then we came down, big rejection and big down impulse the last session, Thursday. But we broke our first support here, and we landed in our second support here, as you can see from the volume profile. This was a pretty good support, and we bounced straight off. We came back into the range. So today there's not really a clear direction, because we went a little bit up, we went down, we came back in the middle. So it's gonna be interesting to see what is gonna happen when the price gets around 145s, and if it gets rejected there or not. Anyway, we are opening with basically flat, 1.5 points, as you can see. We're basically opening flat today. So I don't really have an idea right now of what direction I'm gonna trade. I would say probably I'm more oriented for a short, probably, because this was the last impulse, pretty strong short. We are really close to this zone where that impulse came from. So I think a lot of sellers are gonna defend this area. And as you can see also right now, we are actually dumping quite a bit pre-market. So I think I'm gonna take a short, but everything can change as soon as the market opens, like usual. So it's nothing right down. Okay. So I'm getting ready, setting everything up. Center this one. Okay. All right, a minute left and we are ready to go. As you can see, a lot of selling pressure already. That's pretty interesting. A lot of selling imbalances. Okay. So actually, we might also look for a quick push to the upside, maybe. Like if we see a strong impulse here, heavy volumes around 129, 130, and then the price starts stopping a little bit and it starts bouncing back, that could be our trade. Or if we crack down, we pull back, we get in the pullback, and we take a short continuation. These are the 2 options that I see right now. So market opens in 5 seconds. All right, we are open. So we're at 130. Let's see. I want to see a buying absorption here. That's not enough yet. Good. Nice rejection down here. Let's see if we test it again. Testing 130. Testing 130 right now. We're breaking to 139, 129. Holding good, but the delta is really negative, minus 1300, sorry. But we're holding off pretty nice, around 121, 129.50, 129.75. Now delta is really huge, a lot of selling imbalances, broke through. All right, this is pretty interesting. So sellers are definitely dominating the market. So we're gonna look for a pullback, probably around this area right here. And I'm gonna try to take a short. I wanna fill this gap at 128 and 3/4. Let's see if we get there. 128.75, and I'm gonna get in short. Let's see if the market gives that price. 128.75. I wanna feel, you see this gap right here, no volumes traded. Here, 129, 128.75. Exactly there. So a lot of volumes here, buying imbalances, that's great. So we can catch that fast short. 128.75. All right, gonna get in short right here. Not a great entry. Stop loss up there, and TP here. Okay, this is not a super good entry. I'm not gonna lie. Could have waited a bit more. Yeah. This one was the entry. Yeah, it was not great. I was a little bit in a hurry. Definitely. We might get stopped out here. It was not a really good trade, honestly. Yeah, look at that. Still pretty good buying up there. But this was the right entry with a stop around 132 and in 132.5. Yeah. My entry down here, yeah, not good. But this might work out anyway. You see, if you would have entered right here, you would have brought your stop loss to break even right now, and you were in a pretty good position. Right now, where I'm at is not great, honestly. See if we can crack down selling imbalances. That's good. All right, the delta is dropping again. 136, 200. That's nice. I want to see a crack of the 26 and maybe get into 24s. Let's see if we can get there. That is decent. Minus 700. That's good. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna lower my stop here. I don't want to get caught in a pullback. I'm gonna lower it up here. Let me put it maybe, yeah, there. 61.30. Negative 1000 delta. That's really good. Let's see if we can get that push through the lows right now. So I might rotate long here. I might want to rotate long. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do probably. Yeah, I'm gonna close it out and gonna wait for a little pullback. I'm gonna buy market here. Yeah, TP up there. So why did I get long here? Well, because really strong delta here, negative 1,000, and the price was not moving, sitting on this 127 level of absorption. And then a little positive delta, just 500, moved a pretty big candle. So that means there's a lot of absorption down here. I might be wrong, but I don't know. Ooh, that's, well, guys, that would have been a good trade, I guess. Ooh. Yeah. That would have been a good trade. My bad. So this was a really good trade, actually. I interpreted the market in the wrong way. Yeah, that would have been a nice TP, honestly. An amazing trade. That was an amazing trade. Getting here around 29s, all the way to 21. That was really, really good. Look at how we cracked that support area. Well, I made a mistake today. Should have trusted my process there, and instead, I decided to try to take that long, because I saw 1,000 delta, really small candle right there, and I said, market, short participants are not that aggressive maybe, but then we pull up one more time, and then boom, big drop. Well, that's it for today. We took our first stop loss of this series, and that's fine. It's a little bit frustrating because we were right, and well, I just messed up, but this is part of the process, I guess. So this is a good lesson. Just trust your process, don't make your brain do stupid things, and see you in the next one.